What does it mean when someone is given the key to a city? Being given the key to a city is a symbolic honor bestowed by a city or town to recognize a person's significant contributions, achievements, or service. Here's what it generally means: a symbolic freedom and trust. Historically, cities were walled and guarded, and giving someone the key meant they could enter freely. They were trusted and honored. Today, it is a ceremonial gesture representing honor, respect, gratitude, recognition. Who receives a key to a city? The key is often awarded to celebrities or athletes with local ties or major accomplishments, politicians, or leaders visiting the city, local heroes such as first responders or activists, and finally philanthropists or people who have significantly benefited the city. Receiving the key to a city means being publicly honored and symbolically welcomed as someone who has earned the city's deep appreciation and trust.